In this video, we are going to continue to develop our skills with histograms. Question 1 says, how many data values are in this histogram? Well, here we have a frequency of 1. This one we have a frequency of 5. Here we have a frequency of 1. Remember, histograms do not have any gaps. So when you don't have anything, that means the interval was 0. This one has a frequency of 6. Here I have a frequency of 8, 7, 8, and 4. So what we need to do is we need to add up all of these totals to figure out how many data values are in our histogram. So we're going to do 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4. And when you do that, you get 40. Question 2 says, in what interval is the mode? Well, I know that the interval from 50 to 59 has 8 data values, and that the interval of 70 to 79 has 8 intervals. But I don't know what numbers are here. I know that I have 8 numbers between 50 and 59. They could all be 50. They could be 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. They could all be 71s. I could have 3 71s, a 75, a 76, So I have no idea what these numbers are without the data set. So in a histogram, if you are not given the data, you cannot determine the mode just by looking at a histogram. You would need the data set of the actual numbers to be able to determine that. Example 3 says, what interval has exactly 4 data points? Well, exactly 4 data points would be this interval right here, which is the interval from 80 to 89. What interval has 0 data points? So that is going to be from 30 to 39. And then down here it says, in what interval is the median, Q2, of the data? When you are not given your data set, what you're going to do is you're going to take your total number of data values, which is 40, and you're going to divide by 4. Now, we always divide by 4 for the 4 quartiles. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. This means that I have 10 data values and then Q1, 10 data values and then Q2, 10 data values and then Q3, and then my remaining 10 data values. So if I want to find the median, that's Q2. So if I start at the beginning, I have to go all the way here. So that means I need to count to 10 plus 10, which is 20. So using my histogram up here I have 1. So this has 1 data value, the first data value. 1 plus 5 is 6. So that means that data values 2 through 6 are here. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Remember, I'm trying to count to 20. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So that means that the 20th data value is somewhere in this interval. So Q2, our median, is going to be here between 50 and 59. If I want to find Q1, so to get to Q1, if I start at the beginning, I have to count to 10. So I have 1 data value. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So that means that the 8th, because the 7th is here. So the 8th through 13th data value is inside here. So Q1 is in this interval. So Q1 is in the interval between 40 and 49. And then if I want to find Q3, I'm going to start at the beginning and go to Q3. So I have to count 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. So here, my 29 through 36 data value falls in this interval, which means that my 30th data value falls in this interval. And so Q3 is in the interval between 70 and 79.